Hi everyone, it's Darla with Crafty Yarn Owl. Today is day 2 of 12 of my birthday giveaway. So there will be a playlist below with a video that explains how this giveaway works, and the rules are under that video. So make sure you check that out and, do all the things. Okay, hey, we have more yarn. All right, this is CC Baby Sweetie Anti-Pill. Okay, let me show you this while I read this. It's a light yellow, not like a pale yellow, but just a light yellow. Okay, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 265 meters, 290 yards, 100% anti-pill acrylic, machine washable. Doesn't say if you can put it in the dryer, but you should be able to because it's acrylic. It's a lightweight 3. Let's see. And I was sent this in a mystery box from the Knitting Network in the UK. Yeah, really nice yarn too. I actually started a baby blanket with it. Actually, I made it, but there'll be a tutorial. Okay, what else is there? Colors 7010. That's really pretty. I really like it. It's really nice to work with. The Knitting Network has amazing yarns. But anyway, there are 3. Okay, before I forget, yes, I have a tutorial for this. I'll put it up here. No, I think it's on this side. I can never remember. All right. So this is it. It's a cardi. You can make it long. You can make long sleeves. Okay. The word of the day. And this word is brought to us by Trina Rash. Now, Trina was my first prize winner last year. Okay, so the word is collie wobbles. And I'll put it on the screen. COLLYWOBBLES. So using it in a sentence, make up a sentence. I would love if you would make up a sentence. Or use the real meaning if you want to. But I really like it when you guys just make up a sentence with whatever you think this word means. It's so much fun. And I know you guys enjoy it too because you read each other's comments, and that is so awesome. All right, you guys, thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow. All right, bye for now.